This is video 3 of our eye exercises. For the best improvement on your eyes, it is important to do the exercises in that sequence. So it's video 1, 2 and 3 and so on. So today we're going to look at front and sideways viewing. Come, let me show you. Hi, I'm Al from yogagagia.co.za and you are at the right place if you want to heal your body and mind with yoga. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. And don't forget to catch the tip of the day at the end of the video. Front and sideways viewing. It improves your coordination and strengthens the eyeball muscles. If you have not seen the other videos, please see video 1 and 2 of eye exercises. It's the best if you do them in that sequence, and this is video 3. So let's start. You're going to come into base position. Those of you who don't know what base position is, it is your legs straight in front of you, about hip width apart, toes pointing up to the ceiling. Bring your hands on your knees and you're going to make fists like we did in video 2. Soft fist with the thumb sticking out. We're going to start on the right side, so the left arm is straight and resting on the left knee with the thumb pointing up to the ceiling. The right arm you're going to bring shoulder height and you're going to bring it straight out. The head is looking straight forward with the chin more or less parallel to the floor, just looking straight. And we're just going to move our eyes, not our head, not the neck, not the shoulders, not the arms, only the eyes. When you're ready, you take an inhale, and as you exhale, only the eyes move down and look at the left thumb on the knee. And an inhalation, your eyes move to the right thumb, to the side. Only the eyes moving. Inhale, back to the left thumb. Exhale, right thumb. Up to 10 rounds. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Continue. If you look at my eyes, you'll see it's only my eyes that's moving, and you're following your own breath. Inhale, look down. Exhale to the side. Inhale down, exhale to the side. And inhale, relax the arms and the eyes. And now you're going to repeat this but on the other side. So your right arm is straight with the thumb pointing up. The left arm goes to the side with the thumb pointing up. Look straight forward. Inhale, on the exhalation you're going to start with the thumb at the bottom. Inhale, look to the left. Exhale, right thumb. Inhale, left thumb. That's 2. Down, side. Down, side. That's 4. 5. 6. Continue by following your own breath. Do not rush. When you have completed your rounds, exhale, bring the arms down. And prepare yourself for palming. Those of you who don't know what is palming, please see video 1. Palming, bring your palms together and rub them. When you can feel the heat, we place it over our eyes and you close the eyes softly. Feel the heat soothing your eyes. When the heat disappears, keep your eyes closed and bring the hands down and rub again. Do palming for up to 3 times. Exhale, release, and the last time. Exhale, release, and softly open your eyes. And that is front and sideways viewing. Tip of the day. Now, the tip for today is all about your eyes, and you do know what an effect all screens have on your eyes. Cell phone, TV, laptop, they all have a blue light effect on your eyes, and that blue light also affect your sleeping. So I found these glasses. It's called blue blockers. I don't wear prescription glasses, but you do get these blue blockers in prescription glasses or non-prescribed glasses. So I got a pair, and I cannot tell you the difference it makes in my sleeping at night, because we all like maybe to do something on our cell phone or watch something on TV before we go to bed. So if you are one of those people who like to watch something, try and get some blue blockers. They're not too expensive. Obviously it depends on the frame that the glasses come with, but you do get cheaper ones, and try them. It will so much improve your sleep. So since I'm using blue blockers, my eyes don't get so tense and tired anymore. Here is mine. They're not prescribed glasses, like I said. And they have like a bluish shine to the lens if you turn it, bluish purplish, and yeah, it really works. There you go. I don't wear glasses, so it's a bit of getting used to it, but it was just a few days and I'm used to it, and you forget you have them on. There you go. Just Google it, the blue blockers, in wherever you are, and check it out. I hope it helps you as much as it helps me. If you have any questions, leave a comment below in the comment section, and thank you for watching. Ariyom Tat Sat.